Hello guys, welcome to Just Achi channel. Thank you guys so much for your love, for your support. I do appreciate all of you guys. My voice is rough guys, it's early morning. I'm feeling some itchiness in my throat. Hopefully not getting cold again. We are at the park guys. I brought these kids. They wanted to play and walk. So I have to bring them in the park right now. We are at the park. We're gonna take you guys along. I'm actually gonna take them to watch the geese down there. I'll take you guys along. We go watch the geese together down there. They're so beautiful. There are some white ones and gray ones. They are so beautiful. By this season already they have some, like the ducklings running around. They are so beautiful, guys. Should we go now? They still want to play. So I'm going to wait here, guys. And then we go down there. We'll take you guys along, all right? Don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a like and share, guys. How is your summer taking you guys? It's so beautiful, but it's really hot. Imagine this is morning. And it's already hot. Like when it is noon, afternoon there, it's really, really hot. At least here anyway, the trees are everywhere. You can see behind the back, guys. So they planted trees, like along the way, all their trees. It's a beautiful nature. I noticed, guys, that most of you watch my videos without subscribing. If you can consider to subscribe, guys, that will support my channel. Please do subscribe, give this video a like and share, guys, all right? Guys, my throat is crazy. Careful, guys. I love you guys. Beautiful morning here in Canada. People are going to work, some are coming from work. Some people are day off. Busy life every single day. Gotta be careful. Alright guys, let me show you guys around. Let's head to the park, to the pond, guys. Let's head there.
I'm down and you're up.
You're down and I'm up.
It looks like bush.
Yeah. Let's go. Even that one there, you have to stop, watch, then cross. If there's nothing, you can cross. Normally the car will come from this side. Come on, let's go. You don't walk slowly. Crossing quick, not slowly. See, baby, she's gone. I love this flower. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. You see that one there?
Mommy!
See that one?
I just saw Mommy's white down there.
What? You saw what?
It just looks orange.
They mark there, they're gonna work there. Oh, see the geese on there. There are a lot already, guys. See the geese? See how many geese are there? There are so many. Did you see them? Wow. They came out so early. Now you see the geese there. Did you see the geese there? You guys, you can see the geese. They're everywhere now.
Could I take a
Oh,
photo of the
their
geese?
ducklings are really grown. I think it took really long. You see those ones?
See,
Those one, I think the first one we saw when they had little babies.
those
Now they are
babies.
grown. Even those one, you see? Those one going in there. But these ones, all these are the ducklings, by the way. Most of them with their parents. With their mom and dad, yeah. You see those ones, all they are new. You know, we took long without coming here. They are all grown up now.
There's so much water down
See all of them everywhere.
Look at that one.
See there?
Oh, look at the baby one.
Yeah, they are a lot. I'm so surprised they are all grown.
Look, one baby.
They're big ones now.
Baby.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Not that. Beautiful flowers. The water actually looks crazy now. And it's shrink a lot because of the dry season, I think. The rain has been a problem here. Not really raining there. See, the water looks so dirty now. They have to clean it. You see how much it shrink? What? They can fight, by the way, if you disturb their babies. Look at those one inside the water, guys. Oh my gosh. The water has a lot of mess now. And it went so down. You see how green it is? The water hides it. And those ones are swimming inside there. The water shrink a lot. You know, the water used to be up almost close to the grass. I think we took long without coming. See that small bird there?
Look,
Look
a
at that.
chair. The black and white.
See that small bird making Some birds are small like that. Come, let's go. If you don't disturb them, he's crossing also. Unless you disturb them. Come, let's go, guys. If you're afraid also, they will know. See them, guys. Look at the geese. So cute. They're relaxing. Wow. See them? They have a lot of ducklings. So beautiful. They're all grown up now. See? When winter comes, they will start going. They normally fly up from Canada and go somewhere else. Come cross quickly because they want to go in the water. You're blocking them. Bibi, come quick. Now you're gonna have to wait. Look at them, guys. See the ducklings, guys. They're beautiful. Yeah, they're a lot, so cute. You wait for them to cross. See, Karim? So cute. Yeah, they're going to swim. Look at this. She's afraid of the geese. Yeah. They're going in the water.
Big ones.
Yeah.
They're not small ones.
See how they're relaxing. Very beautiful morning for them too. That's the last one, right? Are there more?
What is that?
Behind the tree?
What is the big one doing?
They're so cute. You see their babies?
Look at that one. Look at that one.
Yeah.
That one
They actually need to clean the water. It's really dirty. Bibi, come on, let's go. Bibi is afraid of the geese.
I'm not afraid of them too. Look at them.
Are you afraid of them too? Come on, they can't bite you. Just ride. They're all relaxing and enjoying. Ah, that's your friend? You're not riding anymore. There is no more geese here now. I think most of them are that side, maybe up there too. Maybe scared of geese. This is my favorite tree. You don't wanna ride? See the beautiful flowers, huh? You can pick one.
Another feather!
Are you feather collector? You don't leave your bike on the way like that, this girl. The water is so crazy now. And since there is no rain also. Look at it, guys. Beautiful place, but the water is really crazy this time. Guys, let's go. Are we gonna go the other side or no? I didn't see the white geese today. of feathers. Be careful, don't step on them, guys. We didn't come here for long. The water is really looking bad. My favorite tree. It's so beautiful.
Got so much feathers.
They didn't do much of the cleaning here. But this is the type of flower Emmanuel brought, right? Look at this one relaxing here, guys. The geese are relaxing under the trees. We are all the way at this side, guys. It's really hot. Let me show you the views here. Beautiful. See, that's our surrounding, guys.